Stocks were lower earlier this morning, but as I speak to you right now, we're experiencing a little bit of a lift. The Russell is up 0.8%. The Nasdaq and the S&P both up about 0.2%. The Dow is still below the flat line, a little bit less than 0.2%. Early this morning, EU and German manufacturing PMIs came out slightly stronger than expected. U.S. factory orders after that were negative at down 0.5%, which was lower than expected. That was down 0.4%. Also, last month's release was revised lower to down 0.8%. We have yields lower across the board. That means treasury prices are higher, anywhere from 6 basis points to 8 basis points on those yields. The dollar is also lower, which makes sense with lower yields, and gold and silver are higher, so we could be experiencing a tiny bit of flight to safety here. I'll explain that in a minute. We also had crude oil higher, back above $71 a barrel as I speak to you right now. We've got a 3-year note auction this afternoon, which could affect bond prices a tiny bit. We've got election volatility. Tomorrow is election day, and vol is likely to remain elevated until there is a clear decision. That could be a tiny bit of why we're seeing some flight to safety. Again, volumes across the board are unimpressive. Looking ahead, earnings after the close, 74 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting, including Vertex Pharmaceuticals, Palantir, NXP Semiconductor, Astera Labs, which is also a semiconductor company, Diamondback Energy, and Eversource Energy. Tomorrow before the open, 59 companies with market caps over $1 billion reporting, including Ferrari, Marathon Petroleum, DuPont, Archer Daniels Midland, Yum Brands, and Restaurant Brands International. Data tonight, China Cation Services PMI data, the National Australia Bank Business Confidence Index, and a Reserve Bank of Australia rate decision. Tomorrow, non-manufacturing PMI in the UK and the US. Speeches by ECB President Christine Lagarde and ECB board member Isabel Schnabel.